All right. We should be chilling. All right. All right, we're live. All right, we're chilling. Gonna go ahead and send to the Discord. Everyone. All right. All right. All right. Gonna post on the Instagram real quick that we're live. So today was Or actually, I'll post it in a minute. Oh, I had a third post I was supposed to post yesterday, but I forgot. I'm gonna post it in a second. I gotta turn on my camera and everything. One second. We're still kind of getting set up here, so give me a quick second. All right, we're ready. Sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the camera now. Probably gonna have to change the battery in it for it in a little bit. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. If I go on the 4 hour here, okay, all right, let's see. Did we deliver off the daily gap? Okay, we did. We did deliver off the daily gap. We did go a little bit lower yesterday, didn't we? No, we didn't go lower at all from AM. Damn. So that AM was the very bottom low. Wouldn't be expecting that after inversing the 4 hour. And I guess what all time highs, so. And the daily was holding. So if I go on the hourly here, let me see, let me get rid of some of this. We have an hourly gap. 15 minute. Does 15 minute have anything? Okay, so we have a sell side here on the 15 minute that we could get delivery out of. Like, we have what? We have a BPR here. We could get delivery out of that. We'll really just have to see. But this is a nice looking south side here that we could get delivery out of. You go ahead and adjust the camera. All right, we're chilling. We already got 6 people in here. Could we get some likes up on the stream? It helps out a lot, please. And now I want to see who's in here. Come in the comment section. Tell me who we got in here. Do we have some new people, some regulars? Sorry. What's up, Dulo? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and post on Instagram now. All right. Bro. All right. I'm gonna copy a link to the stream, post it on my Instagram, and we should be chilling. All right. We are good. We're chilling, we're chilling, we're chilling. All right. All right, we got 7 people up in here. Can we hit 5 likes? We're 2 away. We're at 3 likes right now. We just need 2 more people to hit the like button. We got more people in here now. We're slowly getting more people in here and getting people up before AM session. I'm gonna keep going over my pre-market analysis so far. We have some sell side liquidity. We have a 15-minute BPR. We don't really have anything on the hourly here. We have this big hourly to the left, but I would kind of wait to hit like a BPR, like these 2 BPRs here. See if we deliver off of them. We have the 15-minute BPR down here we could deliver off of, as well as this gap here. 15-minute gaps. I'll go ahead and just mark this out. 15-minute iFVG. All right. So really I would want us to come down here. Sweep this. This is like the obvious 15-minute low. Actually, I'll just keep that BPR marked out because it'd be better if we hit the BPR. But if we don't and we just hit the gap, then I'll just switch it back to FVG. And I'll move it to the fair value gap. But for now, I want to keep it BPR because hitting this BPR would be really good. I mean, even this is a BPR though, so really a lot of it's BPR. So, yeah, we have a lot of balanced price ranges over here. Anybody have any questions so far? It's kind of a neutral bias right now, but we're at all-time highs, so. Anybody have any questions so far? $800 away from passing at 50K. Let's hope today we'll see nice PA. Facts. Hopefully we get good PA today. Let me see if my Tradeify is working now, dude. When they changed their website, dude, it's like being weird now. It's not okay. It's not in past, but it's past. How do I activate um with their new thing, dude? Mm. Good luck, Logan. Yeah, good luck, bro. Hopefully we do good today. I'm trying to see. Bruh, since when was it supposed to activate it within 48 hours, bro? Okay, that's stupid. I would have done that if I knew I was supposed to activate it within 48 hours. So now I wasted money on an account, bro. Are you serious? That's stupid. That's stupid, bro. But whatever. What about Top Step? Someone just posted. Yo, whoa. What is this, bro? Someone posted something about Top Step. Oh, they added a structured scaling plan. Your daily loss limit goes up. After 15K profit, they raise your thing up by 500. Bro, after $1 million profit, you can use over 100 lots, which I'm pretty sure it's 100 contracts. That's insane. Up to $100,000 daily loss limit. That's insane, bro. All right, so price is still just chopping here. I mean, it's pre-market, so no news today as well. So we are sitting at 5 likes right now, so we're chilling. Hopefully, we get more people coming up in stream as we get closer to market open. Hmm. What's up? Oh, we got 9 people in here now. Damn. Kind of just waiting for market open, guys. If you want, I can go over kind of what I'm looking at. We have a 15-minute BBR here. We have some sell side. We have a good amount of generated liquidity up here. We already took out London high and London low. There's not much on the higher time frame. So if I look here on the hourly, we have no gaps. 4-hour has inverse actually of the 4-hour, so it's bullish. 1-hour SMT on the highs. On the big highs, yeah, we do have a big SMT. So pretty much have to see. I probably just gonna wait till market open here, just because I mean this volume is horrible right now. ES seems to be a little bit stronger, but yeah, pretty much ES for longs, NQ for shorts. I pretty much look for the same thing on both, but I don't trade ES. I only use it for SMTs. I really just stick to NQ. Price usually looks a lot better on NQ. Yeah, we're kind of just waiting here. We are just pumping right now. What? Out of nowhere too. It's kind of crazy. But again, we're kind of just waiting here. Kind of just waiting here. I don't see anything yet. Do you? No. Yo, what the hell is going on? Oh, let me go in 1 minute. Bro, what? Dude, what is going on with some of these candles recently? That's crazy. I'm checking financial juice, seeing if anything got posted there, like if anything happened. Cause that's weird, bro. I don't know why there's that up on screen. What's up, Snorlax? Kind of just chilling right now. PA is kind of trash right now, so I'm waiting for market open. Well, there's a 15-minute gap, and London low got swept. It's close to getting unversed. London high and low already got swept. If we inverse this, I'll be bullish. We're still at all-time highs, so. But yeah, we're kind of probably just gonna wait for market open here, see what we get. This is the only fair value gap we really could look for reaction off of. I mean, we have these ones down here. Though I had the BPR marked out, but I guess this fair value gap's bigger, so I guess it's kind of a BPR, but more of a fair value gap. I said I was gonna leave it, but I'll just leave it like this, to be honest. And then there's this 15-minute gap here. 15 iFVG. 1 minute long was valid. Yeah, but we didn't really deliver off of anything, and it would have been break even either way because of the chop. You would have been almost stopped out here. Price would have came back up. You would have moved break even like at least here, dude. because when we create a new high, you should have moved break even here when we retouch the new high. But even if you held it for the internal liquidity, it still would have been break even. So that chop was just not worth it. Not worth a break even anyways. But now this is a protected high. So kind of just bad market conditions right now. Like look at this. I like that price didn't move that much overnight. But we don't have anything right now. I mean, we're delivering out of 15 minutes, so we finally touched into a gap here. But now, because we just swept this buy side, I would want us to at least come and sweep this sell side for a long. Or at least like even this one, dude. But really, I would want to sweep the big one and tap into the gap. So, like I said before, we'll probably just see what we get here at market open. So kind of just see. See. Yeah, but we have a huge SMT at these highs, dude. Hmm. Okay, this is good. This is a good market open here. Giving us a good pullback. We could. Okay, good. We took out the sell side. So SMT. Oh yeah, big SMT, bro. We have SMTs with everything, dude. We get Asia low. So we could hit this next sell side here. That would be good because we'd have delivery off this 15-minute here. We do have a fat SMT. Do I mark out 1 minute SMTs? No, not really. Would you go long if 15-minute gap got inversed? No. I would look for longs, but I wouldn't be, I wouldn't. Okay, so now we just swept the sell side here, which is nice. That's Asia low. We do have previous day low still, but we have a lot of this sell side here that we could look for. Okay, so this is kind of looking like a soup here. Have that big 15-minute gap, so. Holy Drake candle, yeah, dude. Market open did us good here. Be profitable this week? I haven't taken anything, bro. I don't know if you saw the post I posted, but I said I haven't taken anything yet. Nothing this week. So we're kind of just chilling here. Not much yet. So broke got inversed. I'm in a shirt. What do you mean? A short? A short? Short of what, dude? What got inversed? Yo, please tell me what got inversed, bro. Because I don't see anything, dude. Don't get me wrong, I want it to come back down. I would like manipulation like here. Dude, for real, bro. The 15-minute? Nothing inverse on the 15-minute, dude. 15-minute didn't even close. Five-minute, bro. 5-minute didn't inverse. It inversed like the top gap here. It didn't inverse this one. I'm actually so confused. I'm actually so confused, bro. Inverse 920, bro. Dude. We took like all the liquidity here, dude. There's nothing to target at this point. You could target like yesterday's low, but bro, we have all these to the left, bro, that are holding. We have that one. We have like all these ones down here, bro. This one's really just a 15-minute. This big 15-minute that's holding. What's my bias slogan? Kind of bullish, to be honest. Yeah, Nick, send your trade in the Discord, bro. I want to see what you have drawn out. More manipulation and buys are gas. Yeah, facts. If we get like a manipulation like here, that'd be perfect. Bro, those are outdated. Bro, this, okay. That's not how liquidity works, but. Or fair value gaps, bro, 15, this 15 minute, like you look for delivery off these gaps. Fair value gaps don't get outdated. Like after a while, like, yeah, I'm not going to use one all the way from over here, but like for an inverse, anyways, you could look for delivery, bro. It's about to. Your entry would have been like this. But like completely invalid. We took out like every internal. It'd be kind of sus. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, I'm talking about like if you go on the hourly and like let's say we were to sweep like if we were to like get a big dump like we did during like when Trump announced the stuff, like the tariffs, if we were to sweep like this sell side and deliver from this at the same time, like I would be fine with it, but I wouldn't look for an inverse of it. Higher time frame makes sense to be bearish. We are inside of a 15-minute gap here, but we are delivering off this 15-minute gap, and we did kind of soup this sell side. How is news good when it just messes up your trade? I'll show you. You don't trade while news is out. You have a lot to learn, I can tell, Nick. Which is fine, dude. I'm not like being mean. I'm being like it's just you just got a lot to learn. Wait, what? June 25th. Or June 29th? Or in July. I went back too far. I'll show you. No. The reason I like it is because of Data Wicks. Where's the one from last week? What was on Thursday? Look. So you don't trade while it's coming out. Look, Nick. So you see, the news came out and created a high and a low. So we waited for the low to get taken out, and now this up here was a good liquidity pool. We look for this inverse. When did it inverse? I think it was right here. Okay, right here. Stop loss to close below, and then boom. So that's why I like news. Not to gamble on, because yeah, if you just are in a trade while it comes out, then it's not good. But yeah, and PA is better with news days because it adds volume to the market. It's one of my favorite setups. I actually have a YouTube video on it. It's one of my more recent ones. It's like this is the best day trading setup, 100%, like almost 100% win rate. I recommend you watch it, and you'll see. Mark out liquidity on the 1 hour, 4 hour. No. There's certain liquidity, like you have to learn something. There's like different types of liquidity pools. I have another video on that too if you want to watch it. I go over like equal highs, equal lows. Did I explain LRLR? I don't think I used LRLR back then. I might have to make an updated liquidity pools video. What do you guys think about that? I haven't made a educational video in a while. What do you guys think about me making a liquidity pools video explaining how to find them and stuff like that? I think I might do that. Like in my most recent video where I said only find good for value, find good inverses, like how to take good inverse for value gaps. I explained that you need to look for good liquidity pools, but I didn't show all of them. I only showed an example with equal highs, equal lows, and data wicks. So I might I did show an example with LRLR too, but I didn't explain what it is. Would you recommend to explain inverse model? Who wants to start? I got a friend who wants to go from 2022 to inverses. Go on my page. It's one of my most popular videos. It's called the inverse for value gap day trading strategy and how to use it. It's one of my biggest videos. So if you already are subscribed, it might not pop up when you go on the homepage, but go to where it says on the homepage and this is popular videos. It'll be like the very first one there. It has like 3,600 views. It'll be like the first thing that you go to my popular videos. Yeah. If he already knows ICT, then just that. He doesn't need if he already trades the 2022, he doesn't need to watch the boot camp. The boot camp's really only for people that know absolutely nothing. How I caught a trade both Monday and Tuesday using iFVG and they won this week. You take anything yet? No, I haven't taken anything yet. Well, there was some winning trades, but I get off at 11. I only trade AM session. Monday had a singular setup that I could have taken, but yesterday had nothing. Like there was some bad setups that they weren't good. Like they were like low probability, and I know over the long run, they're not really gonna be like the best. So we just came back down exactly how I wanted us to. Now I'm kind of hoping we go up here. Yeah, this is the sweep we wanted. Do you say when you're in your trade? Yeah, I'm screen sharing my trading view, so you'll see me enter. But on dump, yeah, I know, dude. Guys, we're one like away. We're one like away from 10. So could we get one more person here? We have 17 people in here. We just need one more person to like. And we'll hit 10. And And Nick, what thing do I send it in? You can just send it in out of the main chat. We could still get our 10 a.m. reversal, guys. Maybe we sweep. Maybe we sweep yesterday's low, like previous day low, and then we get a 10 a.m. reversal. Maybe we sleep like this low here. Maybe we sweep this one and get a 10 a.m. reversal. And this isn't even my YouTube. I don't even have YouTube, so my Discord name is different. Okay, that's fine. You can just send it though. Okay, so we do have a 1 minute here. A 2 minute. But this 1 minute's pretty obvious. But like, I don't really want to take this. So we'll see. We'll see if we We'll see about We'll see if we fade this 2 minute. You have 2 minute. Wait clean on the 2 minute. I'm fading this, bro. I'm not taking this. I'm not fading bias, bro. Because we definitely gotta. At this point, I would want us to run. I feel like we're still bearish here. We still have liquidity down here. Careful. 5 minute being created right now. Oh, I'm not taking this. I'm just watching this. I'm not taking this. You would see. No, I'm about to trade. No, you would see me actually enter if I traded this. You would see it on my screen, like the entry. You would see the arrows, you'd see the executions, you'd see everything. I'm not in this. I'm just watching this. I don't want to take this, okay? Everybody hear me. I'm not taking this. I'm watching this. Because I don't want this to work. I want us to come down and take out this sell side. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we saved a loss here, guys. We have like an inception gap that's like a BPR here that could hold, but I kind of want this to fail, dude. I want this gap to fail. It's not our 10 a.m. reversal yet, dude. Come down, sweep out the sell side, and give us a V shape. That's what I want. Can you explain Fibonacci real quick? I only use the 50% to like see premium and discount. I don't really use Fibonacci. This is like regular Fibonacci. You kind of use it to like, I guess like percentages to like, I don't know, dude. So like, I guess you use it to look for targets like this or something. And then you like, I don't know, like what this like 1R, this is like what 2R, I don't know. I don't use it though. I thought it was 2 FVGs. Oh, no. Yeah, it has to do with numbers. It's like a percentages, but I just don't use it. Like you can like sometimes like apparently like if I were to like take it and like I just don't know because I don't use it. If I were to put it out on this range that we're in, and I were to put it here, like apparently like there's like a good spot for reversals, which would be like here or something. I don't know. I don't know what the spot is, but there's just like different ranges in here that are used for certain things, and I don't use them. Open high lows open high low close on the daily. I don't do daily profiles. But it's not based on the actual market situation. Yeah, that's why I don't like it. It's just like numbers versus like reading the market. Um why am I not looking for open high low close? Sorry. I don't know. I don't I don't use daily profiles. Again, everybody, because we got some new people in here. We're now at 18 current viewers. I'm not in this. I really don't want this to work. I want us to come take this outside, then get along. So I'm not in this. But yeah, for all the new people in here, again, I'm not in this. Please don't think I'm in this, guys. You can see trading view here. I'm logged in with my Apex. All right, let's see. Wait, you took it, bro? Please say you didn't take it, bro. I don't like it, but I don't know why, but the arrows aren't showing, so I don't know how I'm gonna show my trade. Go in settings, go to more settings, go to trading, and then it'll be positions right here. Positions, I think. Or no, executions, executions. I turn off executions labels because that has a whole thing like bought at X amount of price, blah blah blah, and I don't like showing all those. I just need the arrows. But yeah. News. We have 10 a.m. news. Pretty sure it's just what is red folder? What? It's red folder on financial juice. I checked Forex Factory at the beginning of the week. You didn't have anything. Oh, it's orange on Forex Factory. All right, we'll see if we'll see. Also, I'm not in this, bro. Who said news? Chris. Chris, I'm not in this, bro. Chris, I'm not in this. Yeah, Chris, I'm not in this, bro. I'm just making sure you know. I'm not in this. I didn't tell anybody to get in this. I said everybody don't get in this. Actually, make your own decisions. If you wanted to get in this, you could have, but I'm not getting in this. Because if it would have won and I said don't get in it, then everybody would have been mad at me. But yeah, I'm not in this. I actually want us to come down and take out the sell side, then get along. Put it in main chat. Yeah, you can put it. Oh, you did put it in main chat? Oh, that was PM. I don't trade PM, yeah. Wait, you're naughty goose? Nick Grindma, you're naughty. Oh, okay, okay. That's you. Oh yeah, yeah, because you're boom. Exactly. Like I said, bro, don't take this trade. Don't take this trade. I'm posting this clip on TikTok. Great signal. Took it. Great signal. Sorry. I was texting my friend. I was driving around last night. Um, bro, I saw $100 million house, bro. I was freaking out, bro. I was like, what, dude? It was huge, bro. It was easily like 20,000 square feet, bro. 30,000 square feet, bro. It was huge, dude. There's a bunch of them on the same road. The other ones weren't as big. The other ones were like $20 million houses. They were a little bit smaller, but they were all mansions. Those ones are probably like what, 7,000 square feet, 10,000 square feet. But this other one was like easily 20, 30,000 square feet. They were houses. I was just driving around last night with my girlfriend and we were just chilling. We're still one like away from it and 10 likes. Can we get 10 likes? 10 likes on here? Yeah, I do. Um, we're one like away from 10 likes. We need one more person. Yeah, but I was just texting my friend about it. Okay, let me see. Snorlax, look at Discord. Thought traders are computer rats. At least I am. Bro, I don't know. I met her at work, bro. When I was at work. $15-minute inversion is kind of gas. Sorry, I was busy texting my friend. Yeah, that's really bearish. Still want this, but we don't have any like possible setups, dude. We need like a pullback. But yeah, everybody, I said don't get in this trade, and look. Sorry, I'm clip farming for TikTok. You just blew your funded. Oh, you're saying I took 15-minute inversion? Bro, bro, I just take everything. I don't know why. Like not hating, but why don't you take stuff like that? That's completely invalid. Look, go on Twitter and see people that have taken anything like this, and I guarantee you there's nobody that took anything like this so far today. I'll give you an example of it not working. Recently, we just had a big pumper dump, so just following whatever it's doing has been working for the last like 2, 3 days. But if I go to like, I'll go to, what is this? This is Tuesday of last week. Okay. Um, just entering this 5-minute would have gotten you like screwed over. But we use 15-minute urgent for the direction, not the entry. It's gonna hit New York AM low. Yeah, that's a good spot for reversal. Highest time frame inversion I use is a 5-minute. Yeah, but dude, this one's like, bro, we could have delivered off of this gap with the Asia low. We could have delivered off of this PM low. Could have delivered off of this low, the sweep of this internal low, or this low with this gap. Like, there was just so many things that could have held us up here. That was kind of a gamble. I mean, you still could have taken it, but it was pretty much a gamble. And this is another reason why you don't just take anything. This one failed right here. And this one had a manipulation lag. I would still look for a short to the sell side, but we haven't gotten anything. Or I'm looking for something. Why can't I find it? Maybe it's not on Google Maps. Trying to find the mansion I saw last night. Or it's not even on here. It's not on here. Yeah, it's not on here. Have I ever full ported? No. My challenge was close to an end. Yeah, I thought it was normal. I didn't fully, but I didn't know I didn't know fully. I'm probably do it tomorrow. Bruh. So either a longs off of the south side or a short to the south side. So, but at this point, it's very obviously like draw. Don't full port. It's not normal. That's not how traders act. Yeah, facts. That's gambling. I did it because I had one day to make like 5%. Yeah. Oh, and so you had to pay the monthly thing again. What's the max you can trade on like a TPT? What do you mean? Like maximum amount of contracts, maximum amount per trade. It's not a maximum amount per trade. It's just the amount that they have for the drawdown. Because if you run out of drawdown, then you blow the account. $50K, 6 cons, so I can full port my 50K funded, bro. I just wants to full port everything. I was trying them on my phone, bro, but we're getting nothing today, dude. Bro, is all this week gonna be like a dump and then nothing? We avoided a loss, or at least I hope everybody listened to me when I said not to take that. Kind of sitting here at this point, just waiting. Bruh. Yo, bruh. Bro, Nick. Bro, prop firms have consistency rules, bro. And they have maximum payouts for your first 5 payouts. A lot of them do. And my camera died. You can only pass an account on one trade if it's a prop firm that allows it. You don't get a payout after passing them. Yeah, it depends on the prop firm. Some of them are 30%, some of them are 40. I know my funded futures is changing to like 25% or 20%, and they're cutting their maximum payouts. They're changing a bunch of rules. My funded futures is about to go to shit, to be honest. But if you already passed it, the rules are normally more strict if they passed it. TPT is the only one that's not more strict after you pass it. TPT is one that you could like work your ass off to pass and then full port it and build a good buffer and get a payout in one trade, but you'll risk blowing your whole account in one trade. And then you have to trade a new account from scratch. With proper risk management, that can keep their capital on some profits. I'm a good trader. I just don't know most stuff. One second. Wait, is my camera working? Okay, good. I'm gonna grab like water or something, bro. Yeah, actually, I'm bulking right now, so I'm gonna get out of my fridge. Protein shake. You're wrong. Don't want to be mean. No offense. You're kind of weird. So if one is the best to go with, what do you mean? Like my personal favorite is Take Profit Trader. Don't get me wrong. I hope we catch a trade today, bro. Still got like, what, 45 minutes? Bro. He's talking about because you're asking about full porting, bro. What do you guys think about me changing my profile picture? Bro, what traders discords am I not in? I want to join everybody's discord so I can see their trade recaps. I want to see everybody's. I have Dodgies so I can see his trade recaps. I have PBs so I can see their trade recaps. Does TJR have a discord? Like a free one? I don't want to learn from him, but does he have like a discord where he like posts his trades? Yo, he's almost at 1 million followers on TikTok now, bro, or on Instagram, bro. What? That's sick. Does anybody know if he has like a Discord where he posts his is that anime? Yeah, I was thinking about changing my profile picture. It's Momoshiki from Boruto. TJR, does he have like a bro? What traders have bro? T Trades has a Discord where he posts his trades, right? I don't know. I'm just trying to join a bunch of trading discords. Like free ones. Like I see everybody. I see a bunch of trades on Twitter. Like I see Hydra's trades on Twitter. I see this guy Kale. He posts crazy stuff. TJR is a gambler right now. Honestly, I don't know. Let me see his page. Let me see his YouTube. Bro made 159K yesterday. 34,000 the day before. He lost 97,000 the day before, or not the day before. Oh wait. Yo, he hasn't posted a trading video in 3 weeks. And he hasn't streamed in like forever either. I don't think for 3 weeks though. He's in London, yeah. Okay, well, you're saying he's not even good, and he's one driving a Ferrari 488 Pista. That's a $600,000 car, and a Brabus with a $400,000 Brabus GLE. So say what you want about him. He's a goat, bro. He made so many people rich, bro. Bro, once I have that type of money, I'm not trading anymore either. I'll be right back. I gotta let my. When you said he told people to use a fake broker, you talking about one of one? Was the 1 minute valid or not? I mean, I guess yeah. It was valid, yeah. Do I like it? Not really. I feel like this sell side liquidity here is still draw. I mean, I would like maybe like that so we could get a short to sell side. Or like that. But we still have 40 minutes. Where are all the likes? We got 10 right now. We got 10 out of 15 people in here, so we're chilling. I don't use 15-minute. Why do you not use the 15-minute? I turn all time frames up to the 5-minute. Bro, you use the 15-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour for your bias, bro. Bear, yeah, no, would have been break even anyways. Yeah, would have been break even anyways. Where they're like, he told people to use Trade Locker, which is fake, and I heard he used viewers as exit liquidity. What is Trade Locker, dude? Bro, it's still a lot. It's still available, dude. They probably just paid him, and they're like, "Oh, we're new, bro." That's what happens all the time when you have hundreds of thousands of followers. Companies will pay you, be like, "Hey, we're a new upcoming brand. We'll pay you X amount of money," and um, you just promote it where you're in the same niche. You do trading. We're a broker. We'll pay you $1 million, and you promote our thing. He's like, okay. I mean, I get paid $1 million, and all I have to do is promote your broker. Um, it's not his brand or his company, so I don't know why he would. I don't know how he's using it for exit liquidity. Probably just got paid for it. It's not his fault. It was a scam. I mean, maybe. I mean, could he have done more research? Yeah, maybe. Um, but yeah, I mean, that's he probably didn't like if it is fake, then he probably didn't know. But it's still up here online. Oh yeah, T Trades has a free Discord. I'm gonna join his free Discord. I want to have a bunch of Discord trading Discords on here. So I have Dodgy, PB, T Trades. What did I join the server? What did I join the server for? Trading community. That's it. I don't want anything else. Get it finished. Boom. Bro, what? Dude, he has so many things in his Discord for no reason. He doesn't have like his trade recaps, bro. Well. Anyways. But let me see. Alright, I'm back on chat. Is PB Discord free? He has a free Discord. But his whole Discord is not free. None of them are. T Trades has a premium. Dodgy has a premium. PB has a premium. TJR just does a mentorship. Alright, bro, I'm hopping off the charts. There's nothing and I gotta get to practice. I mean, if you gotta get to practice, that's fine. But I wouldn't just hop off for no reason. We still have like 35 minutes. But if you gotta go, then that's one thing. Let me see. I'm gonna put all my stuff on my MyFitnessPal and make sure I got enough calories yesterday. Because there's nothing right now. Okay, calories. What did I eat so far today? What did I eat? The only thing I've eaten today was that shake just now. Where is it? Bro, where is it? Oh, I didn't put any of my food in yesterday. Shake. Protein shake. Nice, 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 nice. I didn't put anything for yesterday. Crap. Lunch. Chick-fil-A. Strips. They're new chicken strips, bro. Have you guys tried the new Chick-fil-A chicken strips? Yeah, I want to trade too. Have you tried their new chicken strips, bro? No, but they're fire. I don't eat fast food that much either. Not anymore, anyways. I've been cooking a lot more at home recently. But they just added chicken strips. Like they have the little chicken nuggets, but they just added chicken strips. And I thought it was like a limited time thing, but they're still there. And I think it's like on their menu for now, like actually on their menu. Have I taken anything? No, I've not. I have not. Yes, Snorlax, I've been cooking a lot more at home recently though. Oh, Bents. Bents. We haven't been doing nothing though. Look at this, Bents. I was sitting on stream and I said, I yelled at everybody. I said, don't take this. Well, I said, I'm not taking this. I drew it out and I said, I don't want this to work. I want this to fail. I want us to come take out Southside. I said, I'm not taking this. And I drew this out and I said, I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this. Nobody take this because I'm not taking this. And then look. Yeah. So I got a TikTok clip of me yelling at my thing, telling everybody not to take it. Or not to not take it, but like saying I'm not in this. So now I'm gonna chop that up and post it on TikTok. Bro. Chicken strips. I need to see the calories on it, bro. Chicken strips. Never mind, bro. It got canceled. Wait, you took a short? No. I took a BE, entered off at 10:15. Was it this one? Yeah, yeah. Set my stop to break even immediately once you took internal high. Yep. That one wasn't horrible, but I'm still looking for this sell side. It's just very bearish here. Honestly, like maybe a delivery off this 15-minute would be like a really good spot for a short here. We're delivering off of a 4 hour did inverse. We're delivering off of this hourly gap. We'll be delivering off this 15-minute. We still have previous day low below. So we'll see. Do you trade with a MacBook? No. I do have one. I have a video of me trading on a MacBook because I did while I was on a cruise. Inverse the 30-minute too. I don't really use the 30-minute. But yeah, I did close below the 30-minute though. It did already take internal. It's just very, very bearish. So why'd I have it so far? Not hourly. 15 min FVG. 15 min FVG. 15 min FVG. Do any of you guys play Marvel Rivals? Also, Nick. Nick Grindma. Bro, I don't trade with a MacBook. I'll show you my setup real quick. Oh crap. My tripod's on this. Wait. This is a setup. You have any SMTs? Oh gosh, this is all messed up. Oh, ES at the 4 hour. Like you can see, Logan is trading in a luminous box. Yes, a luminous box. But these are so uncorrelated, bro. All right, I gotta finish putting this. Bro, how do I get the calories, bro? Where's the nutrition value? It's Nick Grindaba. Bro, how do I get the Nutrition, there we go. 10 count. 1,000. 1,000 calories. And 96 grams of protein, bro. Yo. What was it? It was 10 chicken strip. Wait, can I go to Chick-fil-A? Okay, I need to put my own then. It's not letting me make it. My foods, creative food. 10-piece chicken strips. Serving size, servings per container, 10. Wait, serving size. 1 box. 1. 10-piece chicken strips. Description. Chicken. Calories. What was it? 1020. Total fat 46 grams. 46 grams. 54 carbs. 96 protein. Okay, boom. Now add large waffle fries. They really have 500 calories for large fries. Yo, well, no way their fries have that much. Like, what? We're sweeping all the lows? We haven't yet, though. Nick Grinma just changed his profile picture. Chick-fil-A waffle potato fries. Dude, no way it's 600 calories, bro. Yo, that's insane. That's what I ate yesterday. I'm putting it on my food from yesterday, dude. I forgot to put it in. Where's my burger? Yes, sir. I ate a pound worth of burgers. Boom. And then I drank 3 Gatorades. I drank, which one was it? Was it Glacier Freeze? Frost Glacier Freeze. I drank 3. And then I need to put the bread for my burger. Is my PFP good? Let me see. Go to channel. Bro, no. If fries have a ton of calories because of the oil it's fried in. Really? Dude, I actually didn't know that. Really? Dude, 600 calories for a single large fry. Dude, I've eaten 2 large fries in one sitting before. And then a 30 nugget meal. It's just a picture, bro. It's not you that looks bad. It's just the picture, bro. How many calories and fat? A tablespoon of oil. What oil, though? Like olive oil? But imagine downing a tablespoon of olive oil. Oil calories. 100 calories. But that's like different oil though. What's the oil they use in like deep frying oil? Nick mirror picture not it, yeah. If we traded the first move of the candle, and did all we would be millionaires, not gonna lie. Yeah, if you knew which way it was going. Like bro, after like if you waited for like this week so far, you could have waited for the first week to finish printing for the first candle. This first candle's red, and you could have just entered like shorts off of the first candle every single day. Like the day it went up off of the first candle, you just longed. You would have been good. But like, bro, that's not what always happens, bro. Like a lot of times you get a Judas swing. It's kind of crazy, dude. It's kind of annoying. But it's whatever. I know somebody took that loss earlier. I'm gonna open it, bro. Benz, bro. I posted something on TikTok, bro, yesterday. I was like, I saw someone post, um, they were like, they were like, I blew 2 funded accounts or 2 evals today. I'm like, bro, first of all, how do you blow 2 evals in one day? Bro, if I take 2 losses, I get off my chart. If I take 2 losses, I'm off my chart. Bro took 2 losses, decided to keep trading, blew the entire account, bought a second one, and then did the same thing again. Bro, I'm sorry, bro. After the first 2 losses, I get off, bro. But like, if you're at that point where you take 3 losses or blow an entire account, actually, that's more than 3 losses. Blowing an entire account, then buying another one and blowing that one too in a single day, bro. That's some bad psychology, bro. Untradeable conditions this week so far? Yeah, it has been kind of shit.
To watch it because the sheriff has just come out and said that none of these officers violated criminal law. You see, this is 22-year-old William Anthony McNeil, and he was pulled over by police for not having his headlights on in bad weather. In the video, William can be heard telling the officers that there are many other cars without their headlights on, and regardless, it wasn't rain. But when he refused to step out the car and asked to see their supervisor, the officer to his left proceeds to not only break the window, but also punch him in the face. He remains calm and he puts...
Bro, there are gamblers in, bro. Yes, dude. Bro, I gotta show you. There was some guy. I was still on stream here, right? It was 9:30 in the morning, right? The other one, I was already off of my charts, and I opened up TikTok and saw it when I was on my way to the gym. But this was yesterday, dude. Look at this. So this candle here, I was talking about it yesterday. This candle here wasn't done printing. I saw this on stream, but this candle here was not done printing. Right? It was still moving on his chart when he was recording this. He was recording with his phone. He was showing it. He was showing his chart. Bro, he took 2 losses 3 minutes into market open. And based on the way he was talking about watching pre-market, I assumed he was not trading pre-market. It sounded like he was only trading since AM. Like New York AM open at 9:30. And I'm like, bro. That's what I'm saying. Bro, some dude on TikTok. I was like, bro. So we have a 5-minute gap here. Maybe this could hold. If this holds, possible like 30-second. Possible 30-second. All the way down to the sell side. Still have a gap here for the 1 minute. We need this 5-minute to hold if we're gonna get this stuff. If this 5-minute inverses, then it's kind of over. They're all pushing that like they were profitable. Yeah, this morning is high key dry. Yeah, he's trading the 1 second. Yeah, that's what we were talking about. I'm done for the day if this gets inversed. Yeah, this is gonna be cooked. I'd have to trade this with what, 2 cons? Might get it. Have to trade it on here though. 5-minute respected there. Gonna get ready here. We do like 60 just because of how far it is. But target this low or something. Kind of like this 30-second a little bit more. Kind of sucks because it's going to ruin the wrist reward if we take that 30-second. Five-minute inverse on NQ, but not... Okay, good. We're chilling, we're chilling. But I definitely prefer that 30-second over the 1 minute. The only problem is the 30-second is a higher chance of getting like break even. So Ben's bro, good physique. Let's see. I'm going to see Ben's. How do I go to his channel in order to see like the full profile picture? Let's see Ben's. How do I see like... It's pretty good, bro. It's pretty good. It's really, really lean. I'm bulking right now, dude. I'm chopped on that one. It's an old pick. I don't even remember. I had this PFP. Yeah. Bro, but like, I'm bulking right now. How much you weigh, Benz? Like right now. I'm like 175. It's like number 1 right now. Benz, how much you weigh? $160 is? How tall are you though? And we have this 30-second here, but really this 1 minute is the one holding price up. So I'll really prefer like the 1 minute or the 30-second here. Six foot. Damn, that's pretty small then. Lost a ton the last few months. Yeah, I'm like 5'11" or 6 foot, somewhere around there. Like I haven't been to the doctor in a while. Last time I was at the doctor's, they said I was 5'11". That was like 4 years ago, so I'm not sure how tall I am right now, to be honest. And I went to the gym and I measured on the thing. It said 5'9". I was like, bro, the thing was like weird. But I'm like 175 and I'm trying to bulk to 200 right now. Order shipped. Why is it taking so long to ship my TikTok orders? View tracking details. I'm eating 2,800 calories, 300 calories, 3,000 calories a day, but I'm not really counting, bro. Yeah, Benz, it's so hard to like. It's so hard to like eat, bro. Like I'm struggling, dude. I'm trying to hit 3,500 calories a day, bro, and it's just like at least like 3,200 or 3,300, because my maintenance is like 3,000. So I need to get past that to gain weight, dude, and it's hard. I'm eating like everything in sight, bro. I'm eating like 2 pounds of chicken a day, bro. I mean like burgers. I have 5 minute inversed. Yeah, I assumed it was going to at this point. Wait, I'm on the wrong chart. Give me a second. Um, yeah. Um, yeah. 5 minute inversed right there. Yeah. So we're pretty much cooked. I'll be on here for the rest of the macros, so until 11:10, and then I'm gonna get off. I'm gonna go ahead and finish adding this. I was like, I gotta go eat calories of this so I can add it to my thing. I'm proud of myself. I had 3,400 calories yesterday. I just finished. But the burger buns actually have a lot of calories and protein, dude. They have what, 140 calories per bun, dude. And then the 3 Gatorades I drank yesterday gave me 420. I used to eat 4,000 last winter, bro. I weighed like 178. Oh, is that what you were in the picture? Because that picture does not look like 160. And straight down since I had to break up after 4 years. They removed a mole from my shoulder. Couldn't train for a month. Yeah, that sucks. Because target is sell side liquidity. Why not take the 5 minute inversion? Because, bro, this 5 minute is horrible, dude. Obvious draw on this sell side here. We kind of have a gap here. But 5 minutes, not it. Nick, we don't just take random stuff, bro. Okay, what's the new profile picture, bro? Let's see. Bro, is that a green screen? Is that his green screen, Nick? That is not on the beach, bro. That's a green screen. Bro, there's gotta be a green screen, bro. It does not look like you're actually on the beach, bro. That's gotta be a green screen, bro. You don't wear clothes like that to the beach. Bro, we're just roasting your profile pictures, bro. We're just messing with you, bro. But wait. Oh, you already put another profile picture. Wait, let me see the old one. Oh, it's not there anymore. It's only on my chat that I can see it. Bro, you were at the beach in that picture. She was wearing jeans and you were wearing that to the beach. It's me with Rolly. What's Rolly? The green screen? That was not, dude. I see a picture of you with it, bro. Bro, there's a picture of you with a girl, bro. There's a picture of you with a girl, bro. On the beach, bro. A green screen. Bro, look. I'll show you what I'm looking at. Let me see if I can screen share, dude. I need to switch window capture. Oh, look. I'll show you what I'm looking at, dude. Why can I not screen share my screen sharing the wrong thing? Let me see. Give me a second. Add display capture. Yeah, look. Dude, this is what I'm looking at. Look, bro. I'm telling you, dude. Oh wait, wrong thing, dude. I was watching that video. Bro, look. Bro, that's you. That's you. Bro, look. I refreshed it, bro. I'm clicking on it. It doesn't do anything. That's a green screen, bro. Use FVG indicator like Lux Algo FVG. I don't know. I know how to spot provide gaps. Nick is so. Yo, Nick, we're messing with you, bro. Nick, we're messing with you, bro. Where's my? Why is it? Okay. What's wrong with my thing? Window capture. Trading view. Where's trading view? Trading view. And trading view is not showing anything. Okay. Okay, we're good. All right, we're chilling. All right, bro. Whoa. Oh, is that why I did that? Dude, what is wrong with my stuff, dude? NQ. Come on, there we go. All right, we're chilling. Sorry about that. Hey, bro, I'm gonna try to tell her about trading, but I tried to tell her about. I'm like 175 last December. Yeah, that makes sense. That's about the way. Yeah, that's the way I'm at. Nick, I believe you. That's my girl, bro. Yeah, I'm saying, bro. I'm not saying it's not your girl, bro. I'm not making fun of you with the girl, bro. I'm making fun of, bro. It looks like you're on a green screen, bro. It doesn't look like you're at the beach, bro. It looks like it's a green screen. It does not look like you're actually at the beach. It looks like you put a green screen behind you and put a fake, like, beach behind you guys. It doesn't look like that at all, but yeah. At least we're like chilling. I know there's been no trades, bro, but at least we're chilling. All right, I'll stand here for a couple more minutes. Session's pretty much over. Staying for at least until 11. So I got like what? At least 40 seconds. Ah, I'm not sus, bro. I'm looking at an A plus, bro. What A plus setup, bro? Give me a time frame, dude. Snorlax. Yeah. Wait, Snorlax, what's better, Snorlax or Munchlax? I'm assuming you know what that is. ICT setup. You took a trade today, Lampham? No, I didn't take any trades today. ICT setup, or ICT is concepts, bro. It's not a setup. Can you repeat? Munchlax or Snorlax is better. I feel like Munchlax is gas. Bro, I'll Bob, see you tomorrow. Enjoy your day. Yeah, you too, bro. I was gonna short this morning. It happened so fast again. Short off what? There's not much of an entry. Snorlax, you have Snorlax, bro? Munchlax is so like Munchlax is a W though. What, you eat everything? You eat everything, bro? Or you just sleep all day? You eat and sleep and trade. Eat, sleep, trade, repeat. Snore and relax. Yeah. All right. Well, it's 11. It's after 11 actually. Look at Discord. All right, I'll look at Discord real quick before I get off. If we see those FVG get inversed, take a short TP. Nah, dude. You're talking about like all these ones on like the 5 minute. Like these two. No, I mean day's already over. I'm not gonna force anything, bro. I know we're gonna get good days ahead. I mean Monday we could have taken that 5 minute. So Monday wasn't necessarily a no trade day. It was just a very hard trading day. But not really anything today. Everything was invalid today unless you had a bullish bias. You could have taken this with a bullish bias. It would have been break even anyways. Could have taken this with a bullish bias. But I wasn't bullish. There was a 5 minute here, right? Could have taken this with a bullish bias, but we had no liquidity sweep here, so it wasn't mechanically an entry model. But yeah, there was nothing really today or yesterday. Sometimes we're gonna have weeks where there's. Wait, look at Discord. There's also a liquidity sweep. Yeah, I know, but like, I mean, there's not really a sweep on here though. Unless you're talking about this high. See, there's ICT. Yeah, ICT concepts. But yeah, there's not really anything for us to enter on. Let's say pretty easy buys. I wanted longs, but I wanted a pullback first, and I got the pullback I wanted. We just didn't get any movement today. Checked out earnings hub. This afternoon, there's going to be big tech releases. Should I just gamble a bunch of money on tech releases? uh, I'll check it out. I'll check it out. I'm definitely interested in it. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna like put any money on it, but I'll look at it. It'd be cool. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Everybody in here, make sure you are in the Discord. You guys can just send stuff to the Discord if you have any questions. If you have any setups that you see in like PM or something, I'll like rate some of them or something like that, but I'm not gonna actually trade anything this PM. I don't normally trade PM. Tesla earnings come out. That'll be good. It's probably gonna pump. Um, anyways, it's 11:03. Oh, we're delivering off this 15-minute. We're delivering off the 15-minute. Wow, could have entered short here. Dude, no way that's printing. Dude, I should have taken this. I wasn't paying attention. Are you serious, bro? Bro. I was not paying attention, bro. That's crazy. I'm gonna probably keep checking trades all day. This is PA. Yeah, I know, but this is a good setup here, dude. But it's whatever. This is such a good setup, dude. I mean, I'm fine with not taking this though. I mean, it's end of the day, but it's whatever. Would have been first trade of the week and would have been a dub, but it's all right. Gonna go ahead and get off. It's whatever, dude. Went through the whole day, no trades. It's all good. We'll come back tomorrow. We have unemployment claims tomorrow, so we'll be starting the stream at like 8:20. All right. I'm gonna be honest with you. No. Nah, I wouldn't do that. I would just get off and be done. I mean, you can get on at PM if you want, but don't like get on and off and just check randomly. You'll force a trade by doing that. It's whatever. I'm gonna get off here. Wish I would have taken that, but I was talking about something else. It's whatever. Anyways, I'll get off. It's annoying.